Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our second lecture on internet marketing. In the first lecture, we looked at what internet marketing is all about by stating that it is all kinds of marketing activities that are undertaken with the aid of internet-connected devices, internet-connected technologies, or devices that have access to the internet. Okay, we also looked at the features of internet marketing to include immediacy, personalization, and relevance. Then we went on to discuss about the history of internet marketing. We also looked at the users then and now before going into detail as it relates to activities or tools that can be used to bring about positive internet marketing outcomes for organizations. Today we begin the lecture by comparing internet marketing and electronic marketing. Initially, we stated that internet marketing can also be called online marketing or electronic marketing, okay, based on the interrelation between these concepts. However, in this topic or today's topic, we are going to differentiate certain elements that makes them stand out from one another, okay. We begin by looking at the overall concept of internet marketing. Like we said, it is the application of internet and related digital technologies together with conventional or traditional communications to attain marketing objectives, okay. However, electronic marketing entails attaining marketing objectives by using electronic communication technologies. So from these two definitions, we can now see that the main difference between internet marketing and electronic marketing is actually the communication tool being used. When we talk about internet marketing, we combine both the conventional and digital tools to attain overall marketing objectives through internet connected devices, okay. But when we talk about electronic marketing, you cannot conduct electronic marketing through the conventional tools. It can only be conducted through electronic or digital tools, okay. So the main difference between internet marketing and electronic marketing is that internet marketing encompasses the ability of being undertaken by using both conventional tools and internet connected devices. However, the electronic marketing concept does not allow or does not make it possible for a marketer to utilize non-digital tools, okay. So we can as well say that all elements of electronic marketing or all kinds of electronic marketing are also internet marketing. However, it is not all kinds of internet marketing that are electronic in nature, okay. So when you make use of your phone to purchase online, you are both engaging in internet and electronic marketing based on the fact that the company has been able to advertise their products or services to you, which you gained interest and made use of your internet connected phone or laptop to make such purchase. But in the case that you are just going about your normal job or normal activity and you happen to see road shows, and then in the road show there is a particular banner being given out to you which contains the company's website, okay. Then when you go home or at your own convenience, you were able to access the website and you saw a product that you liked and you made purchase through the website. Such is also internet marketing. However, the means of communication, the communication tool that was used to reach you is actually offline tool, that is the road promo. So you cannot consider that as digital or electronic marketing, okay. So internet marketing allows the combination of both digital devices and conventional marketing tools. However, when we talk about online marketing or e-marketing, we are only saying that it is possible only with digital devices. So the means of communication or the communication tool is the main element that differentiates internet marketing from electronic marketing, okay. So now, considering that the means of communication or the communication tool is the main element that differentiates these two concepts, it is imperative that we also consider or discuss or look at the categories of e-communications. Basically, there are two. They can either be online or offline. When we talk about online, we are looking at the tools that can only be possible or used through electronic channels, okay. Then offline communication tools are our usual conventional marketing tools that we use to reach customers at every other channel outside the online channel. Okay, so when we talk about the online channels, we are looking at the search marketing, online PR, online partnerships, interactive ads, opt-in emails, and viral marketing. Okay, but when we talk about the offline communication tools, there are numerous. There are many of them, like your television ad, your radio ads, personal selling, sell promotion, public relations, sponsorship, okay, direct mail, exhibition, merchandising, packaging, and word of mouth. Okay, so internet marketing combines all these tools, both online and offline tools, but electronic marketing is only possible through the online tools. So that is the main difference you need to understand. Offline and online tools for internet marketing, but only the online tools can be used for electronic marketing. Okay, we start our discussion by looking at search engines. They are very, very critical and essential in today's marketing world, because most of the communications between companies and consumers starts through information search. The customer wakes up or at his or her own convenience goes to a search engine and keys in the particular information he or she desires to know, or he or she desires to research on. The possibility of the customer choosing a particular brand or company will now depend on the extent to which those particular brands or companies can be shown to the customer at the initial shot. Like we said, research has shown that most of the customers, about 85 to 95% of customers, don't go beyond the second page of search engines. That is to say, when they search biscuit on Google search, they don't go beyond the second page. Okay, and majority of them will only consider the first to 5 options that are available for them. Therefore, if you are not actively engaged in the search engine optimization process and your brand is not popping out within the first and second page, the possibility of customers making purchase starts to decline. Okay, even if it is popping out within the first page but not within the first to 5th available links, the possibility is also said to decline. Okay, so search engine marketing, or search marketing as it's popularly known, is very, very critical in today's world, and it deals with search engine optimization, ensuring that your company's brand or products and services are available at the topmost first page of all the search engines. Okay, then pay-per-click, that is advertising your products and services through different channels where customers can access them and publishers get paid for each click that customers make on your product or service. Then trusted feed is not just about making your products and services available through the search engine. It is also very, very critical and important to ensure that the backlinks that are coming to your company are through trusted feeds. Okay, it has an impact on your overall ranking, whereby if the feeds are not all that trusted, then the search engines might consider your company or the brand irrelevant, at least to the overall importance in terms of the way they used to determine whether or not to show your website when a certain keyword is keyed in. Okay, what does it do? The implication is that your site will now start to rank down below those that are considered more relevant to the information in question. So non-trusted or poor quality feeds can actually affect your ranking negatively. That is why it is necessary to always put that into consideration. You don't just go about all the sites you see popping in your website in there so that you get backlinks. They are very, very, the boots are very, very critical about that, and it has a direct influence on the quality of your ranking in the search engines. Okay, so the second is online PR. Simply put, all kinds of public relations activities that are conducted with the aid of internet and digital devices. Okay, this can be in the form of media alert services, whereby the company can give you information as it relates to new product development, discounts, and every details about their brands which you subscribe to. Okay, it can also be portal representation. It can also come in the form of blogs and RSS, where the company feeds you with information about their products, how to use them, challenges you might face, and how to address such challenges, how to keep in touch with them, improvements and updates. Okay, it can also be community C2C posts, that is customer to customer posts. In today's world, this is most reflected in comment sections of companies' official social media pages, okay, where customers come to engage with each other and define their overall perception about a given brand or a product, and this can also shape their purchase decision. This is today known as the word of mouth marketing, okay, electronic word of mouth. Those that have positive perception about a brand can influence purchase decision positively by giving other people reasons to purchase that particular brand. Okay, we also have online partnership, which, like we said, is all about backlinking, link building, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and co-branding, whereby your company's website are made available through different advertising channels for the customers to access, based on relevance. Like we discussed earlier, the advancements being made in the information and technology sector now imply that it is possible for artificial intelligent machines to be able to predict information for you based on your actual activity or the things you are doing online. So for instance, if you have been going through products about soft drinks online, let's say you search soft drinks in one of the search engines, you should not be surprised when you go to a social media network, your own social media network, and the first advert coming out for you would be a soft drink, because these companies work together. They work in partnership through their advanced artificial intelligent machines to access, to process the data that the customers key in to their system in the form of keywords, okay, and then use it to define informations that are relevant, products and services that are relevant to the customer, and target them to those particular customers. That is why most times the products and services you see in the online advertising network are those that you kind of gain interest in, or those that you have been discussing about, or those that you have searched about. That is the today's overall partnership, online advertising system, online networking system that are designed to all kind of persuade the customers to make purchases. Okay, then we also have interactive ads, which are all about the display ads and banners, rich media, dynamic behavioral sponsorship, and so on and so forth. What we mean by interactive is that they are based on customers' experience. They are based on your activities. What we are doing online is always being watched, and the marketing agencies are always there to tap into this information and use it to tailor products and services that actually meet your exact need at that point. As a pregnant woman, for instance, you might start to notice that most of the adverts you are seeing are all about diapers, baby foods, and so on and so forth. Okay, so don't be surprised. These machines are always monitoring your activity. They know the situation or the activity or the networking that you are actually undertaking at a particular point in time, and they use it to tailor products and services that are relevant to you, that meet your exact needs, which makes purchase more likely for the customers. And the overall reason for that is to ensure that the cost of advertising is optimized, in the sense that companies will now be expecting to make more sales for every dollar they spend on advertising, instead of giving you irrelevant information that you might not actually purchase at the end of the day. Okay, we also have the opt-in email. When you go to the social networks, to the blogs, they can ask you to subscribe to their, just like we always beg you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and other channels. This is also a kind of online tool for communication. The implication is that once you subscribe, if there is any new post any new information on that particular website or channel, the link will be sent to your email where you can now click and go to access it. Okay, so opt-in email is still effective even in today's world, it's very, very good. It is a known and renowned communication tool because it gives customers information even when they are not aware of events that are taking place in the market. It kind of reminds them on, it kind of persuades them to come back and make purchase. Okay, then the final one is viral marketing. Nowadays you could make a single video about yourself or about your product, and then when you wake up in the morning you see millions of views. That is one of the communication tools in today's world. Companies are always after making high content, high media content that will snare the interest of the customers, that will push them to like and comment. And at the end of the day, the implication is that there will be a high level of engagement between the customers, which will lead to overall awareness of the product or service in question. And these are normally done through the pass along emails, okay, being forwarded to different people. When they create those content, they now forward it to all their customers. Okay, prompted email, incentivized and media relations. So all these elements come together to create what we know today as viral marketing. Okay, so aside the online tools, we also have the offline tools. Like we say, the online tools are applicable for electronic marketing only, but internet marketing combines both tools, both online and offline tools, to reach a certain marketing objective. Okay, the offline tools represent or include advertising, which can come through your television, which can come through your radio and other non-online sources. That is other offline sources. You don't need the internet to listen to your radio, to your TV stations, and so on and so forth. Personal selling, which is all about the company's representative selling product or service directly to the customer or company in question. Okay, sales promotion through road shows and other activities. Okay, public relations, coming out to discuss with the customers about a certain product or service and engaging them, giving them reasons to purchase. Okay, sponsorship through sports like Nike does with big sporting brands across the world, Emirates with Real Madrid, and so on and so forth. Okay, direct mail, okay, through your mailbox, exhibitions, okay, like your trade fairs and so on and so forth, merchandising through the different outlets that are available around you, are available or closer to the customers. Okay, packing, okay, and then finally word of mouth, whereby consumers that have made use of the product are encouraged to discuss or to share their overall experience with the customers. Okay, so the main difference between electronic and internet marketing is that internet marketing encompasses the use of both offline and online communication tools to reach a marketing objective. However, electronic marketing can only be applied by using online tools alone. Okay, so it is the communication tools that differentiate them. Therefore, we can say that all elements of electronic marketing are also internet marketing. Electronic marketing is under or inside internet marketing. Okay, so electronic marketing is just a subset of the internet marketing concept because it covers only the use of electronic or online communication tools, while internet marketing on its own encompasses both online and offline communication tools in the course of reaching defined marketing objectives. Okay, so thank you for staying around for this particular lecture.